Hey there. Hope you're having a fantastic day. The finance guys talk about using OPM or other people's money for investments. So they want to take and use other people's money, maybe some of their own money, but they want to use other people's money. The reason they want to use other people's money is because other people's money gives them leverage. It allows them to make more money from a smaller investment of their own. And there's a concept that's similar in and it's called other people's lists. And it's very powerful. And the idea is that 100% of every client you'll ever need, every customer you'll ever need, every patient you'll ever need, whatever you call it, is in somebody else's database. Their name, their address, their phone number, their email is in somebody else's database. So if you can use other people's lists, then that's a great way to leverage someone else's information to build your business. I want to talk today about a subset of that. So a week or so ago, I went to one of my clients' workshop. Now she does a thing called unreasonable hospitality, and it's a training program based on the best-selling book Unreasonable Hospitality. And I went to it, A, to learn something, but B, to see who else was in the room. So it's this subset, I'm going to call it other people's workshops. And it's very valuable. You can go to other people's workshops and you can meet people there. You can meet them in person. Yeah, you have to go for a couple of hours, but you're going to get leads for whatever business you're in if you're in the right kind of workshop. This one was right because it attracted business owners, and obviously we work with business owners, so it was perfect for me to attend the workshop. And I had it's a bonus, right? You get to learn something and you get to meet prospects. So other people's workshops. So what I want you to do this week is think about what other workshops could you attend? Could you go to that you would meet people in your ideal client audience? Hey, it's a very powerful concept. It's a very powerful way to go. So think about other people's workshops. Look for workshops you can attend. I hope you have a fantastic week. If you'd like to join us for one of our monthly meetings where we get all our clients in a room and we actually work through a skill and work on your business in addition to meeting other people, we have workshops that you'd probably should want to come to meet other prospects. Let me know and we will get you signed up. You can come as our guest for a couple hours, check it out, see if it's a community you want to be part of. Hey, we look forward to seeing you soon. And until then, all the best.